Hello friends, today we are at Badami Resort, which is in Badami, North Karnataka, India. A very nice resort. That's their reception. Our check-in was very smooth and they're very friendly people. These are the beautiful cottages that you get here. There are rooms in the new building too. Done up very well. A lot of greenery around. It's very close to the marketplace, but of course you don't get the crowd of the market. See the cottages, they're very beautiful with a little balcony, sitting area. They're very cordial. The food is very good here and not very expensive. They're very cordial and they're willing to adjust. We wanted to leave check out a little late, and they were ever ready for it. Very nice cottages they have. That's the new building there where we are staying. We could not get a cottage. They were all booked. Badami is known for its cave temples, which belongs to the Chalukya period. And of course it has a fort also, Badami Fort. You have nature all over here. Your breakfast is complimentary in your package. We got a good deal through Agoda. You need to come to the dining place for that. That's the dining place. People have already started coming. That's the dining place. They have a little boutique here that sells speciality of North Karnataka. That's the boutique. They sell saris and other things also. The dining area at Badami Resort. You have a nice view. We came here for a little coffee to just freshen up. And after this we'll proceed to Aihole and Padadakal. Hello, we reached Badami Resort. This is the resort. From Hampi, it took us around 3.5 hours by road. And now we will go to visit the Badami caves.